milliliter. Made with 100% organic ingredients. Cannabis flowers, MCT, and olive oil. Now the CBD. 180 milligrams. 12 milligrams per milliliter. Now this is made with hemp flowers, MCT, and olive oil. So that's the male marijuana plant, and that's the female marijuana. Hey everybody, I got a tincture from my store. It's 2,000 milligrams and 500 milligrams THC. I put a little bit of that into the THC bottle that I have here. I'm going to show you guys how to mix up the stuff. You're going to need a dry cloth, and you have to take this glass part off too and dry the coil, and then yeah. So you dump the liquid down like this, the leftovers. Keep it pointing down. Take off the glass part. Immediately start drying the coil. You don't have to dry the inside out, just dry the outside. And keep using the cloth. Now, you have to prime it first, so you 1, 2, 3. It should be good to go for priming. Now I'm going to add the marijuana first. One, 2, 3, 4. And then 5. 5 drops. Then the rest, you just put this has no nicotine in it. It's just it's a strawberry cheesecake flavored. Yeah. That's all you need to do right there, and then you put the cap back on. Shake it around some. If you're a chronic smoker, you can put 10 drops in. I think 5 is good for this. Works. Thank you very much. Peace.